Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Mac OS Sonoma, and I'm gonna show you how to use Preview application on this operation system. So, Preview application is really great app, and when you trying to open it, it's not open. If you trying to quiet it, sometimes it's not possible too. So how it works? When trying to open the preview, it's not open, so as you can see. So how preview works? Preview works very in the simple way. For example, I have downloaded photos and, for example, documents. Okay, and for example, I have there are airdrop tiles. I don't know what is the document, but if I wanna open it, I'm just clicking on it twice, and I am opening it in the text edit application. But I always can just click on the space button, and it opens in the preview application. It's very fast, as you can see. I don't need to wait until application text editor will open, and I can do it with any application I want. For example, with the images, I can do it in the same way. I can press twice and open it in the what is the application? I don't know, with the application that's opening it with additional tools, but I can only just click on it and press on space, and I can do it with any documents, and sometimes with the folders too. For example, here I have Adobe folder. By clicking on it, I can check the information about this folder, and I have the opportunity to click on the share button to share it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.